Hello guys, welcome back to Skylar Tutorials channel. Hope you have been doing well. Okay, now welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Spreadsheet application in a smartphone. First of all, you go to Play Store. After going to Play Store, you search WPS. That is, you type WPS. Then you'll see the application here, WPS Office PDF, this one. Then you click, after installing, you click open. For me, I've already installed it. Okay. Then the WPS application will open, and this is how it looks. So you go to create. In the bottom right corner, you'll see create. Click on it. Then here you'll see a bunch of options. You'll see there's doc. The first one is doc. The second one is PPT. Third one is XLS. The one that we're interested in right now is the XLS. So you click on it. Then it'll give you this page will come up. Now what we want here is we click blank. So click on blank, and the Excel or the spreadsheet will open. Now what you do is just you click on it. If you want to enter data in any of the cells, so for example you are going to use cell A1, so just click on it. Then you'll see these options. Click edit so that you can be able to type into the cell. To click edit, the keyboard will come up. So just let's write anything. Let's Excel tutorial. Then click on this tick option here, tick icon here. There it is. You can do the same with the other cells. So after you are done, you go to done, click done. After clicking done, you come here. You see next to edit, there's this icon here. It looks like a file. We use that to save. So you click on it. Then you'll see this will come up. To that you name it. So for mine, I'll just leave it with Excel tutorial. Maybe I just wrap this WPS, Excel tutorial. Then I click now there's here, we see there's path, WPS cloud, my cloud. You can decide to change it, so kindly do that. So you click here on path, click on it. Then you'll see something like this. So let's click location. To click in location, you can click my documents. Okay, then click save. Here you can exit that one. Okay, now after saving, you exit. Now I'm going to show you how to share the saved document. So you go to file manager. After going to file manager, you go to documents, because I think that's where we saved it. So let's look for it. Excel tutorial, here it is. So select it. You can either it depends with your phone, the phone that you're using. You can either long press it or just click on this circle here to select it. Then you click send or share. It depends with your phone. Could be share, could be send. Then you share through WhatsApp. So you search, when it reaches here, you go to the search icon and write the name of the person you want to share to. Then you click send. So for instance here, let me send to myself. After you search for someone's name, you'll come there. Then you select it. Then you press this icon here. Then you press this icon here to send. And that's it. Thank you so much. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Bye bye.